The TurboTax community is your go-to platform to discuss tax and finance questions with credentialed experts and share your knowledge with others. You can join from the TurboTax homepage by selecting Resources and then TurboTax Support and Community. Scroll until you find Join the Community. On the community, you can search topics, explore featured forums, read spotlight articles, and browse trending discussions. To ask a question, choose a featured forum, then select the board that best fits your situation, or simply choose Get Your Taxes Done. You'll find options like Featured Topics, Most Recent Posts, and Ask a Question. If you're prompted to sign in and are already a TurboTax user, use your existing user ID and password. New users can select Create an Account. When posting a question, enter a clear subject line and detail your question in the message box. You can attach images or screenshots, but remember that this is a public forum. Protect your privacy and avoid sharing personal information. If known, specify your product, edition, and platform, then post. For more help, visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.